Hello and welcome back to the BigDAN'gler channel. Got a bit of a croaky voice because I'm just getting over a chest infection, but I hope you're all well. You're joining me down at PAGHAM today. I've got we fished local on Tuesday and I was quite ill, so we called it early night, but it was like literally hauling, bog rolling all night. We were down at Eastleigh Nudist Beach and honestly it was dreadful. I did have a little baby smooth hound, but the fishing was absolutely dreadful, and my mate AD snapped his rod. So we called that an early night, and we sort of abandoned the video, and I went and rested and whatever else. Anyway, it's Sunday, it's 7:30. I've just got my first bait ready, which I'm going to show you. I'm using a single hook pulley with a full crab. The high tide is at 11:15 tonight, so we got what, I'd say 4 hours till high tide. So 5.7. It's very windy down here. Yeah, my mate AD's behind me there. I'm in front of the sailing club as always, there or there. Just slightly to the right of it. We're facing like towards Brighton. The wind's coming that way. So yeah, hopefully we can get some fish on camera. I know I say that all the time. Fishing for me has not been all that great since I started doing the YouTubing, but I mean that's that. So yeah, let's get some baits out and let's get seeing if we can get some fish. I am fishing my 6 and baits tonight, and obviously I've got a multiplier on one and a fixed spool on the other, as I'm still looking for a new multiplier, but until I get a bit more confidence. Anyway, less chatting. I had a good holiday. I'm back from Turkey. I'm ready to fish. Now I'm over the worst of my chest infection, so let's get some fishing done. I shall bring you back if anything happens. I'm going to get my first bait out. Let's see where we go from there. Literally, I've been out in the water 5 minutes. I haven't had anything. My mate AD. Ooh, don't know what's gone there. What you got, Aid? A bullass? Let's have a look. He reckons he got a bullass. I reckon that's a dog. Oh no, it is. It's a bit. Is that? Let's have a look at the mouth. Oh, I'm not sure. I think that's a dog. No, it's got the flaps. I think that is a bullass. Yeah. Anyway, strange looking fish. If anyone reckons that's if they know, write down in the comments. We just quickly googled it. It looks like it could be a bullass. It's a mad little coloured fish. I mean, it didn't look like a dog. Look at this. As far as the eye can see, there's fishermen. So yeah, could have been a bullass. Anyway, 1-0 to Aid, and yeah, good. It's a good start. Literally fishermen everywhere. Usually we come here on a Sunday and there ain't a sausage to be seen. Today it is. Yeah, that's both my rods out. It's 8 o'clock, crabs out. Let's hope we catch some fish. So the sun's setting. I've had 2 or 3 crabs out already. Done all the legs up. Got my crabs ready. Nothing yet, but we were talking to the guys here. It's meant to be that Dan South Coast Angler. Some big smooth hounds have come out here, up to 14 pounds so far. So apparently that's why the beach is busy. I mean, when the beach is busy, He literally is busy. Another lovely crab bait to go out. I'm not going to put too much on my knee so it doesn't get too crabby, but lovely. 80's still on the dog. I think it was a dog. I'm pretty sure it was a dog. I've asked a couple of my mates who fish and they reckon it's a dog. So, there's a very pretty dog at that. Hopefully once it goes dark, the madness will happen. We'll see. So I just bring in my third crab on this one. Crab's gone. Bit of weed about, but yeah, just getting into darkness now. So hopefully this is where the hounds will come out to play. Let's wait for them back out. Pardon me. Come on, fishies. Well, it's coming up to 10 o'clock. Still no hounds. I think I'm going to have to move my bivvy back slightly because it looks like I'm going to get wet. Quite a bit of weed out there at the moment. Oh, yeah, there's quite a bit of weed out there at the moment. Ripping through. I mean, I've looked around and there definitely isn't any fish coming in anywhere close to me yet. Ooh. I did just have a knock then. Now if it's seaweed. Oh wait. My drag went then. Not sure if I've been caught here. 2 seconds. My rods are going. I'm pretty sure it's seaweed. I'll bring you back if anything happens. Well, what a development. Way. Probably only about 3 or 4 pounds. 5 pounds max. But my biggest of the year so far. Just swam up tide and wrapped up a few people. But there we go. A nice smoothie. Target achieved. My biggest of the year so far, but we will. I'm not going to weigh him because he's only roughly 2-3 pounds. Target achieved. Let's get this boy back and let's get fishing. But yes, target achieved. Brilliant. Thank you for your support. And away you go. Always handle with care. Organs, not these smaller fish. These smaller fish are a little bit alright, but the bigger fish definitely handle with care. Look after them. They're nice starry-eyed. Anyway, let's get him back. Ooh. Wow, what a mental 10 minutes that was. So my fish swam upstream, well, up tide, and wrapped up the 2 guys next to me. And then there's a guy a couple of fish down. He's just had a bigger one. I would say easy double figure, and he's wrapped up a few people here, so we had to we're all quite close together, so we've had to help each other out, get them wrapped. But yeah, so there are hounds here, clearly. I mean, his was a double, mine was, I'm going to give it £3 max. But still. So I've gone straight back out with the crabs. I'm going to get 2 more rigs set up quick while I'm sitting there, just in case. Oh. I think I've just had a bite on my we'll see in a second. No, it's not gone snapped yet. That's wishful thinking. So yeah. If anything else develops, we'll bring you back. We are on high tide pretty much. Yeah, high tide. So we're on high tide now, so we'll see what happens. Adie's just had an eel. I think the lads over there have just had another smooth round. So we're just over high tide now. Adie's had 2 eels and a dog. Pretty dog. Was a bit up in the air about maybe being a husk, but I think it was definitely a dog. But just a very pretty one. And I've had a little eel and a smooth hound. And I dropped a smooth hound as well. I had a slack line bite lifted into it, pulled back, gone. Anyway, like I say, we're on high tide now. Well, 10 past 11. I've seen 2 or 3 smooth hounds coming out. Biggest, I'd say, definitely a double with a nice long fish. Be nice if I could get one like that. But yeah, so if anything else happens, I'll bring you back. Well, we'll see. Don't know if I'm in the mood to bring you back. No, I'm only joking. Brilliant. Anyway, it's nice to see the smooth hounds coming out, especially decent sized ones. I mean, I've only seen one, but whereas there's one, apparently they're pack animals, so usually where there's one, there's a few. The weed is horrendous though. I mean, horrendous. Anyway, let's get back to fishing. So I've stuck to crab baits all night. I've had the 1 hound and 1 eel, but I didn't film the eel because it was only like that. Adie's had 3 eels and a dog. I've got 2 defrosted crabs left, so I'm gonna cast them, and that's probably gonna be me for the rest of the night. As Mondays I have my daughter, so we're going to put 2 more baits out and start packing up. And going from there really. But yeah, it's been enjoyable. I've seen a definite double come out tonight. The weed has been horrendous at times. But again, that's fishing, so yeah. It's this time of year, isn't it? Oh, just dropped the light. Ooh. Yeah, it's this time of year, so usually quite weedy. So yeah. I mean, I'd have liked that big double that the guy had there. I'll take that other one, £3 one. Still early yet. I know there is some big ones coming out, but my favourite spot is still a week or two away from producing, so yeah. Still plenty of fishermen out. That Dan South Coast Angler, not that I'm promoting any other YouTube channel, but I'm assuming he's the guy who had the bigger hound, so keep a look out for him. I think he said he was called South Coast Angler. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna put 2 more crabs out. Start slowly packing up. Now go from there. That's me and AD all packed up. One hound, around 5 or 6 eels, and a dog. Remember, always take your litter home. Till the next one.